Let's learn how to divide the number 182 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 1. It is less than 2. That is why we will consider the two digits, that is the number 18. We know that 2 times 9 is equal to 18. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 2 here. Look that this is the number 2. So remove this 0 and we know that 2 times 1 is equal to 2. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore 182 divided by 2 is equal to this number 91. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.